Every effort is being made to improve our abilities, our skills, and our expertise. And that's what we mean by building capacity of our staff. It's to ensure that we are effectively involving our parents and our families, and we're supporting our partnership among the school and stakeholders to improve student achievement and academics. So using your feedback form now, and if this is live for you, then on your seat is a form. We want you to fill out that form and provide your valuable input regarding building capacity of school staff and parents. If you are watching a YouTube video, please give your feedback now live by putting your comments in below. We value your feedback via survey or via YouTube. Your feedback makes a difference. We'd like to thank you for being a part of our 2019-2020 talk for our annual Title I meeting. And now that you know what Title I is and parent-family engagement, building staff capacity, and how we develop our school improvement plan, don't be a stranger. Make sure that you're giving input. Make sure that every opportunity that we give you to fill out a survey, you're the reason why I'm speaking to you this way today. Your input makes a difference.
Your input makes a difference.
On behalf of our principal, Ms. Annette Macklin, our assistant principal, Ms. Stacy Limbrell-Mel, and myself, Dr. Goodrich, your instructional support specialist and parent and family engagement Title I facilitator, we thank you for tuning in today. Your input is valuable. Please continue to give input. You can use this link. We welcome it. And I will see you face-to-face September 5th at our next Title I stakeholder meeting. In the words of my children, we'd like to see you there. Be there or be square. But you won't be square. Have a good day. Bye.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to fill out your surveys. Thanks, and have a great day.